Soaked now.
Oh, that's right. It's not so much about the bike, it's about you.
It's stinking.
There's sun just after this corner. You might dry off before you get home. Here we go. You'll dry out now. We just got the edge of it.
Yeah. I was lucky.
Yeah. Maybe we drop back to your place and just let's do a reassessment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we would have got a lot more wet if we had continued.
Yeah. It's nice now, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm just rolling off.
Yep.
Yeah, I think I'll be fine for the whole trip in this leg position. You know, there'll be days when you'll get a cramp.
Yeah.
But yeah, she is a bit neck up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, real sports bike
Yeah.
sort of position.
It's not like that. You know, it's not down here, but it still is it is a very aggressive riding position.
Yeah. Well, it looks like I'm following a GSX-R 1000 or something like that, you know what I mean?
Oh, the body position.
Yeah, everything, you know, like it just looks like I'm following a sports bike.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. I'll give you a bit of a come up close to me.
Oh. Well.
How's that sound?
Wild.
Yeah, it is wild, and I see what you mean. It's hard to describe.
Yeah.
I don't know what it sounds like.
Yeah,
I guess it sounds like a V4 Tuono.
Yeah, that's right.
So come up next to me again, and this time I'll stay in front a little bit, but I'll pop down and downshift to see if she crackles. Out.
Looks quite cool from behind.
Oh yeah.
It's quite good actually from behind.
Yeah. Oh, looking from out of your mirrors to the front of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cool looking bike at the front.
Yeah. Ooh, cold. Looks like Batman behind.
Yeah, because of the little wing cow.
And other lights.
Oh yeah. It is pretty sensitive on the throttle, because it's got that much instantaneous power.
Yeah.